Hi, Gregory. There are a lot of questions about how to put the force pedal like under your feet because some people just put in different positions. So what is the optimal position to put the force pedal under your feet?
So this is very simple now. Since decade, we heard everyone talking about toe to heel. This is verbally correct. But what we like to see is actually people placing the force pedal toward the ball of the lead foot.
Yeah.
This is the universal point of force application for any golfer in the world.
Yeah.
They need to load at peak vertical force before impact and toward the ball of the lead foot in order to activate the extension muscle that will facilitate the transfer of energy from the ground up to the body, to the arm, and to the club in order to increase club head speed.
So if people put in the wrong position, that would activate the wrong muscle. Am I correct?
It will, but people have to understand that it's like the hitting in the middle of the club face with the sweet spot. Okay, this part, the ball of the lead foot, is the sweet spot in ground reaction forces. If you want to maximize that transfer of energy to the ground up, you need to load toward the ball of the lead foot between the first and the fourth metatarsus.
Can you show us like how to put it correctly?
Oh, very simple. Let's use the force plate. That's the best tool. Everybody know that force creates motion, force are invisible, and force precedes the motion. So because force are invisible, we need to use force plate. Here, this is the Smart2Move 3D force plates. So we want player to place the force pedal toward the ball of the lead foot. This is the optimal placement. We don't want to see any more people placing the force pedal toward the toes. Okay, doesn't bring anything. Okay, and as you can see now on the screen, look, this is the actual ideal position between the first and the fourth metatarsus.
Yeah.
Very simple when we press it. We want to see player at peak vertical force, loading toward the ball of the lead foot.
Yeah.
Before impact between left arm parallel and shaft parallel to the ground, which is the dynamic peak windows at peak vertical force.
So you can see the vector is going up, the blue vector.
Yeah.
That's the lead foot, right?
Yeah. So this is very simple. We represent the force in two ways with the curve and the graph, but also the 3D vector representation. Very simple to understand. When a curve goes up, that means the player is applying force into the ground.
Yeah.
When the curve goes down, this is the ground pushing back.
Yeah.
So the player is deweighting.